So it's supposed to be 115 on Wednesday.
115 next Wednesday.
Hey, but it's a dry heat.
Oh yeah, because that just helps so much.
It's
Jason.
literally like an oven. So in Florida, it's 90. Humidity's like 90.
It could be 90 and the humidity could be 99.
Tell me what you prefer.
Here.
116 here?
Oh my God, I'd take 116 over here.
Yeah, you know it's hot too.
Yeah, that's why I said it, man. It is hot out here.
You can't, in Florida, you get dressed, you take a shower, you come out, you're wetter than you were in the shower.
That's true.
I don't know what the deal is too.
But it
How
does-
do you ever wear a suit in
It
Florida?
rains every day, and then you lose like 20 degrees.
It's like the Amazon down there.
It's pretty wild, but I like the weather. I like the rain there. There's no rain here, and it's dry, messes with your skin.
Hello, glad to be here. That's your keeper.
Your nose gets
Definitely
all...
messes with your nose, by
Your
the
nose
way.
gets
Yeah.
destroyed.
Your nose gets destroyed. I got stuff coming out of my nose I never saw before.
Don't sneeze, you stupid dragon, or you'll blow us to the moon!